Most people fail to learn English not because they are bad at English, but because they never follow a system. They study randomly. Some grammar today, some words tomorrow, then stop. This video gives you one clear routine, 45 minutes, that actually builds fluency. If you follow this daily, your speaking improves, your confidence increases, and English becomes natural. When this video ends, your only job is simple. Follow this routine tomorrow. No changes. Now, let's begin. This routine has 4 parts: speaking, writing, listening, and reading. Not equal time, but smart time. First, speaking, 10 minutes. This is the most important part. No phone, no notes, no thinking. Speak out loud. Talk about what you're doing. Talk about your day. Talk about your opinion. 2 minutes on one topic. Then change. Mistakes don't matter. Pauses don't matter. Your mouth needs training, not perfection. 10 minutes. Every single day. Second, writing. 10 minutes. Take a notebook. Write what you spoke. Simple sentences. Real thoughts. After writing, use ChatGPT. Ask it to correct and explain. Rewrite the corrected version. This is how grammar fixes itself, without memorizing rules. Third, listening. 15 minutes. One source only. One YouTube channel or one podcast. Listen carefully. Then replay 1 minute and repeat, not word by word, but meaning by meaning. Your ears learn before your mouth does. Fourth, reading. 10 minutes. Read small content, articles, short stories, subtitles. Read aloud for 5 minutes. Collect full sentences, not single words. Sentences build fluency. Word lists don't. That's it. 45 minutes. No pressure. No overload. Just repetition. If you skip a day, don't quit. Continue the next day. Consistency beats motivation. Always. If you follow this routine for 30 days, you won't ask, how can I speak English? You'll start asking, how can I speak better? That is progress. Close this video, save it, and start tomorrow. English is not a subject. It is a skill, and skills grow only with daily use.